So if you desire to get bigger, harder, longer lasting erections on demand, so it also helps with premature ejaculation, this is a product that you might consider using. Hello, today we will be reviewing what is considered one of the best male sexual enhancement supplement ever, right? Some persons consider it to be like the #1 supplement for men to help men to improve their sexual performance and sexual satisfaction. And I've been getting a lot of requests to review this particular product, and today is the day. And so if you stick with me to the end of this video, you will get a non-biased, honest review of this product, what it contains, scientific reviews, and even how to get it, how to use it to get the best effect and best results. And so go ahead and hit the like button right now, because you will definitely enjoy this powerful review of this powerful product. So this product is called Vigrx Plus. Some persons call it Vigrx, some persons call it Vigrx. It really doesn't matter, but it is Vigrx Plus, Vigrx Plus, and it is an all-natural dietary supplement for male enhancement. And so this is one of the ways it is packaged. And don't worry, I will be showing you how to get this and how to get it delivered to your home discreetly. It basically helps with erection. It helps with addressing erectile dysfunction and weak erections. So if you desire to get bigger, harder, longer lasting erections on demand, so it also helps with premature ejaculation, this is a product that you might consider using. And so erections that look and feel better. And apart from that, it also helps with supercharging your libido and also helps with the intensity of the orgasm. So it is described as the world's leading male enhancement product, and over 1.2 million boxes have been sold since 2007. So you see, it has been here for a long time. And one of the reasons why it gained so much attention, ABC, the Wall Street Journal, New York Times, and so on, is because it was recommended by the best-selling author Stephen Lamb and also the director of NYU Center for Men's Health. And these are the 4 indisputable reasons why Vigrx Plus is consistently rated #1 for the result. The first advantage is that it is a scientifically engineered formulation. It is a work of 10 years of research in men's sexual health. The second advantage is optimized dosing. So it contains several natural products in a way that helps you to get the maximum dose for each of those ingredients, and those ingredients are fresh and of high quality. And then it includes biopyrin, which helps with maximum absorption. And with all of this, Vigrx is able to stay consistently #1, even above some of the top male sexual enhancement supplements. It has a lot of positive reviews. And so how does Vigrx Plus work? It contains 10 potent natural erection precursors, aphrodisiacs, and libido enhancement that quickly build up your system to measurably improve your sexual performance. And if you are familiar with this channel, where we've talked a lot about erectile dysfunction, we've always mentioned the effect of nitric oxide levels and helping with your blood flow, relaxation of the smooth muscles, and with nerve actions that will help you to achieve and maintain a good erection. And this will result in noticeably thicker, fuller, stronger, harder erections. And so with nitric oxide improving muscle action and blood flow, and also with testosterone boosters, you will be able to achieve the erection that you need and you desire. I'll place a link so that you can see some of the clinical studies that have been done for this product, and so some of the results here. I know I don't want to bore you and get this video too long, but I'll place some of these links so that you can gain access to these studies and researches. But basically the summary shows that 71.43% increase in sexual and intercourse satisfaction, 47% increase in overall sex drive and desire, 62.82% increase in ability to maintain an erection, 22.49% increase in frequency and quality of orgasm, and 61% increase in overall sexual desire. Even though this result may vary depending on the individuals, but generally this is the summary of some of the findings, and I'll place a link so that you'll be able to see some of these clinical studies and researches, right? And if you compare this product with other leading male enhancement supplements, you see how it beats them hands down. Here are some of the ingredients: Damiana, Epimedium leaf extract, Asian red ginseng, Mura palma bark extract, hawthorn berry, Catuaba bark extract, saw palmetto, Ginkgo Biloba, and bioperine with some of the services offered by the producers like live customers support, free shipping options, and the fact that there's money back guarantee and then it's manufactured in the United States helps it to stand out and helps it to be one of the superior products when it comes to male enhancement. So if you click the link on the screen right now or in the description section below, you will be able to get it with free shipping. Apart from that, you will be able to try it risk-free for 67 days, and if you're not completely satisfied, you don't pay a dime. Also, if you check the link I'll be sharing with you, you'll be able to see some of these frequently asked questions like, does it work, where can you buy it, and does it have side effects, how fast can I expect results, and can you have it discreetly, is it shipped internationally, and so on. You'll be able to read all of these with all of these testimonials. If you go to the link on the screen right now in the description section below, you will be able to get it. However, there are alternative places where you can get it. For example, if you go to amazon.com and you just search Vigrx Plus, you will have a lot of options. And then if you're in Nigeria, if you go to jumia.com, you will be able to get Vigrx Plus 2 delivered to you. But apart from that, some pharmacies, patent medicine store around you may have these, so you could just check around, especially the bigger ones. Give it a shot. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. If you find this video very helpful, do well to hit the like button, share with others, and again, check the link in the description section below to discover how you can get access to Vigrx Plus. Very powerful. I definitely recommend this, especially if you don't want some of the side effects that we see with some of pharmaceutical drugs for the treatment of erectile dysfunction. Like, you should give this a try, and do let me know how it goes, right? Take charge of your health and happiness, and I'll see you in the next one.